welcome to another controversial End Times 4565 video. And I want to take just a few minutes here in this next video to let you listen to some things that, to me, only let me know what is happening is from above. Now, scientists still have no answer to what you're about to witness. Since scientists don't have an answer, I do, and that answer is it comes from above. Just to take a minute, let you listen to these sounds. I believe that these are the beginning sounds of a warning, ladies and gentlemen. And after the 7 woes, which I believe are going to be, I believe that this is a rehearsal of the 3 woes. These woes that you're going to hear were from on the other side of the planet, but they were heard in like 3 countries. So with that being said, let's give it a listen. Sounds that apparently come from the sky. Turn your volume up. Unless you're afraid. So, what say you, ladies and gentlemen? What are your thoughts on this? If you ask me, it's terrifying. And when God begins to speak to the world for all ears to hear, it will be terrifying. With that being said, put your comments below. I'm going to try to look for one more of these that I found absolutely off the hook. Let's see if I can get it. Too bad I can't find it right now, ladies and gentlemen, but maybe I'll come across it later. At any rate, leave your comments below. Tell me what you think about it.